We're approaching a vehicle body repair centre in Sleaford, Lincolnshire. But this business doesn't fit any of the old stereotypes. The working environment is clean, bright and modern, and the site team are just as proud of their commitment to transparency and sustainability as their flawless repairs. This is one of a growing number of sites operated by AW Repair Group, who repair more than 230 vehicles a week.
If you've not had an accident in your car before, you don't really know what to expect, but our aim is to make sure that you go away thinking that was painless. So we've got to try and give them the best service possible. We need to take away all of the hassle.
AW Repair Group see themselves as an extension of the insurers and manufacturers brand, and one of their distinctive features is dual branding like this at their Derby site, which signals a special solus partnership with leading insurer LV.
Our branding within the body shops is fairly new. It's only available to a select few, the best in the industry. We're looking for quality of repairs, we're looking at service, we're looking at safety. From a customer's perspective, they've got the reassurance, they see the LV brand and see the good quality that AW are able to provide in service. So it very much so works in tandem for the complete customer claims journey.
The group see communication as a vital element to their service. They use all the modern platforms to communicate with customers before, during and after a vehicle accident. And they've also introduced a crash app which offers updates and guidance throughout the repair process.
Well, there's currently 30 million vehicles on UK roads today. Electric and hybrid vehicles are adding 4,000 to 4,500 per month. And it's estimated that by 2030, 50% of the vehicles on the road will be electric. Today we have lighter, new materials, onboard computers, accident avoidance systems. That requires new techniques, new processes and new equipment, but we're ready for that.
AW Repair Group have been investing heavily in new technology and also in training their people in the new techniques that will be needed. To help bridge the growing skills gap, they've set up a training and apprentice academy, and across the group they now employ more than 20 apprentices.
I've been doing it for just over a year now. Started in mechanical, I've moved through panel, through paint, and throughout this year I've got an experience in absolutely everything. It's not just a stand by and learn thing, it's a hands-on experience doing it and learning at the same time. It's brilliant.
The apprentices benefit from the guidance of experienced mentors like Ashley, who's been with the group for over 11 years.
It's been really good so far. It's thrown me in at the deep end, and already I'm starting to get the basics of stripping cars down, bumpers, doors, and done a bit of filler work, done some welding. It's really precise, and that's what I like about it, and it's very precise. If something doesn't line up, he'll tell me about it.
Yeah, it's been great having her working with me, and I think she'll go a long way. She's just got a really good opportunity to have a good career ahead of her.
Continuing investments in the business and its people are helping build a dynamic, fast-growing business, one that the London Stock Exchange has recognised among its 1,000 companies to inspire Britain.
We will carry on growing the business. We have got an ambitious 5 to 10 year plan. Working with our apprentices, we're modern, smart, progressive, sustainable, a business that they want to work for and enjoy working for. You've got to keep investing in your business if you want to stay ahead, and that's what we do. I think that's what sets us apart.